Hairy Bittercress is a persistent, fast-spreading winter weed that poses problems for many homeowners and gardeners. It grows in a wide variety of conditions and outcompetes grass and other more desirable plants. In this video, we'll show you how to identify hairy bittercress, how to control it on your property, and how to prevent it from growing back. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Alternate names for hairy bittercress include lamb's cress, flickweed, and springcress. Hairy bittercress is a low-growing, broadleaf weed. When young, this plant grows as a rosette. Hairy bittercress grows compound leaves made up of 2 to 4 pairs of rounded leaflets and one additional leaflet at the end of the leaf. Each leaf grows hairy leaflets and petioles. As the plant matures, it will send up vertical stems that can be up to 10 inches tall. When it blooms, hairy bittercress will produce white flowers at the ends of these stems. Each flower is about 3 millimeters in diameter and has 4 petals. When fruiting, this plant grows seed pods that grow up to 1.25 inches long. The seed pods grow upwards and along the flowering stem. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Hairy bittercress favors cool, moist conditions. It grows well in well-drained or sandy soils that see full or partial sunlight. Common sites include lawns, ornamental landscaping, paved areas, gardens, and other areas with disturbed soil. Hairy bittercress germinates in fall and emerges as a basal rosette during winter. The plant remains throughout the cold weather and will produce flower stalks when temperatures rise. Ideally, you'll look for young plants before they produce flowers to control them before they can produce seeds. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To get rid of hairy bittercress already established on your property, apply post-emergent systemic herbicides. In areas with warm season turf, check out Fahrenheit Herbicide. Spot applications with this product should be made at the labeled rate of 0.2 ounces mixed into 1 gallon of water to be applied over every 1,000 square feet. We recommend you mix and apply your product with a handheld sprayer. To enhance this product, mix in a surfactant like Nanotek. Nanotek is a non-herbicide product designed to improve the adhesion and penetration of pesticides onto treated surfaces. Just add 1 fluid ounce per 1 gallon of solution. If you have weeds growing on properties with cool season grasses, we recommend 2,4-D-Amine. The labeled application rate for spot treatments with this product is 1/4 of a pint of concentrate mixed into 3 gallons of water, or 1 2/3 fluid ounces of concentrate mixed into 1 gallon of water. With your solution, spot treat any weed you found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. Reapplication intervals with Fahrenheit range from 4 to 6 weeks. Reapplication intervals with 2,4-D-Amine range from 21 to 30 days. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. To stop new weeds from growing from seed, check out Dimension 2EW herbicide. This product has both post-emergent and pre-emergent applications, but will focus on its pre-emergent uses for now. Pre-emergent herbicides create chemical barriers that stop weeds from sprouting or emerging. To prevent new plants from growing from seed, mix 0.73 fluid ounces of the product into 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet. Broadcast the product over your treatment area, then after 6 hours, water the area with about 1/2 inch of irrigation. We also recommend you promote the health of your turf to reduce the conducive conditions that allow weeds and disease to take hold. Applying a balanced fertilizer in the fall, like Solutions 8-12-16 Fall Grow, will help strengthen the grass to compete with emerging seedlings. A spring fertilizer, like Solutions 15-5-10 Weed and Feed with Trimec, will promote vigorous growth while controlling existing weeds. When using Fall Grow, apply 5 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. When using Weed and Feed, apply 3.2 to 4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. 24 hours after application, irrigate your treatment site to activate your granules. When applied properly, your grass will receive a boost in health to fight off any weed development. After applying fertilizer, continue with integrated vegetation management to maintain your property's health. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches. Rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris. And employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can get rid of hairy bittercress on your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.